عن عائشة رضي الله عنها قالت كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا دخل العشر أي العشر الأخيرة من رمضان شد مئزره وأحيا ليله وأيقظ أهله. She mentions now about the last 10 days of Ramadan, or the last 10 nights of Ramadan. That when the last 10 nights of Ramadan used to come in, the Prophet ﷺ would tighten his waistband, and he would wake up his family in the night, and he would pray in the night. He would pray in the night, and he would wake up his family to do so too. So this hadith is indicating the extra amount of worship that the Prophet ﷺ used to do in the last 10 of Ramadan. He used to do a lot of worship anyway, throughout Ramadan, but then he used to do even more in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. And it mentions shadda mi'zara, that he would tighten his waistband. And this is a type of phrase used in Arabic, and the meaning of it is to strive harder. It's like we say in English, roll up your sleeves. So they have a phrase in Arabic, tighten your waistband. Just like we say, roll up your sleeves. So he tightened his waistband, meaning that he was now prepared for extra effort and extra striving. And it can also mean, as some scholars mention, tightening the waistband, that he would not engage in intercourse or intimacy in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, that he would only be striving upon worship and obedience and prayer. So he would tighten his waistband, i.e. strive further in those last 10 nights. وَأَحْيَا لَيْلَةً, and he would pray the whole night. He would pray the whole night of the last 10 nights. وَمَنْ نَامَ اللَّيْلِ فَقَدْ أَمَاتَ لَيْلَةً. So this indicates that the person, the one who sleeps, then his night is dead. But the one who stays awake and prays and worships, his night is alive.